So hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a mail merge in Microsoft Word using data from Excel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to merge personalized information like names, addresses, and emails into a Word document. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your Excel data ready. It's important that the first row contains the headers because Word will use this for mail merge fields. Once you're done with the data, save the Excel file and close it before moving to Word. As you can see, I will save it to and it's already saved. So the next thing to do is you need to open Microsoft Word and create a document. And once you're in the Word, go to menu and mailings and start mail merge. In this case, we're creating a letter, so I select letters. This will set up the document for our mail merge. After setting the mail merge, we need to connect our data, so we need to click on select recipients, then choose the existing list of our Excel. As you can see, I already did, and you can see that there is edit recipients list, address block, greeting line, and insert page field. So after we merge our Excel in the Word, we need to add a insert merge field. So for me, I added first name and their last name. But the first name and last name, so I don't do that because it will repeat the first name and the last name. So I'll just add a greeting line. There you can see the dear to two. You can edit the greeting lines of what you want to do. And after that, I added address, city, states, and zip code. Also, I added their emails. But sorry for my inconvenience, I forgot that the email are continued in their addresses. So I will put in the bottom. After that, you can preview the results, and you can see, and you can scroll the numbers so that you can see all of your recipients list. After that, you need to click finish and merge in the mailing tabs. So you have several options there. You can choose to print documents or emails or create individual documents. And that's it. You've successfully created a mail merge in Word using Excel data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace out.